Third, connect and organize control harnesses. Remove the waterproof strip of the driver's door frame and the main driver's threshold. Then remove the rear seat cushion. Be careful, there is a plug that needs to be unplugged. Remove the rear door waterproof strip and threshold, and the lower side panel of B-pillar. Note that there is a screw and can be removed the panel after unscrew. Remove the inner cover of the handpiece and the front trunk. Note that there is a plug on the front of trunk. Then, continue to remove the battery cover. Connect the 12-volt cable of the sunshade to the positive pole of the battery through the gap. After, fix the negative ground wire to the screw under the left side of the main driver's seat. Place edgeways recognition wire along the top of the AA pillar. Route the motor wire along the door frame to the motor position. Then we can restore the threshold and side panel of B pillar and restore the seat cushion. Remember to plug in the plug here. Now, remove the speaker and metal cover on the original cover. Be careful not to push it too hard and mount them on the new cover. Note that the left and right can be distinguished according to the internal measurement of the cover. Then remove the original reading lights of the rear row and install to the corresponding position of the new cover. Same for left and right. Splicing the front and back two sections according to the plastic part identification. Install the ambient light and distinguish the left and right sockets according to the position towards the speaker. Reinstall the roof and airbag belts and wiring harnesses in the car and cover the roof component. Note that need to remove the snaps on the original cover and install it on the rear of new cover. Tighten the small screws at the back and the front. Plug in the ambient light power cord and the main sunshade controller plug. Add the temperature probe security clip. Plug in the ambient light power cord. Install the armrests above the door. Fasten the upper side panel of the B-pillar. Tighten the screw-off reading light. Reinstall the top side panel of the back trunk first, then reinstall the lower side panel of the back trunk. Be careful to plug the power cord back in, replacing the small side panel. Remember to lock the snaps. Reinstall the pressure strip. The overall steps are the same for left and right. Install threshold strip of the back trunk. Note that remove the green snaps from the original cover and install the new cover for the rear of car. After, install the new cover for the front of car. Install original car components and the electric sunshade control box. Note that the plug needs to be covered with sponge to prevent abnormal noise. Install the sun visors for driver and passenger seats. Install the A-pillar rubber parts and original snap. Finally, restore the whole part and test whether all functions are normal.